Hi everyone, this is the 63rd video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice problem from the concept of equation solving. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says that if 2 times x cubed is equal to 8 times x, then which of the following is the solution set? And we have been given 5 possible solution set. We have to select the correct one. So our equation is actually 2 times x cubed is equal to 8 times x. That is the given equation. Now if we divide both sides by 2, what are we going to get? We'll get x cubed is equal to 4 times x. And now if you are thinking that because we have x on both sides, we can probably divide both sides by x also, and that will be a big mistake. Why? Because x is an unknown variable here. We don't know whether x could be 0 or non-zero, right? So if we don't know what kind of value that x can carry, we really cannot do the division by x, because in case x is 0, that division will be a problem, right? We cannot do a division by 0. So you really do not want to divide by x when you don't know what would be the possible value of x, right? So sometimes, in a hurry, we could end up making this mistake, but we need to be very careful about it, right? We should not divide by x when we don't know what kind of value that x might carry. So in this case, what do you need to do? Well, let's bring everything to the left side. So here, if we bring everything to the left side, then we have x cubed minus 4 times x is equal to 0, and then from here we can take x as a common factor. Then we are going to have x squared minus 4 is equal to 0, and then if we do one more round of factoring, we can write it as x times, you see, x squared minus 4 can be written as x squared minus 2 squared, and then this is a square minus b square form, so it would be x times, we have x squared minus b squared, so that would be a plus b, which is like this, and then times a minus b. And now you see we have 3 possible values of x, because if the product of 3 factors is equal to 0, then each one of them could be 0, right? So from here what we get? We get x is equal to 0, that is one possibility, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, that is another possibility, or x minus 2 is equal to 0, that is a third possibility. So from here, from the first one we have x equals 0, or from the second factor we have x equals negative 2, and from the third factor we have x equals positive 2, right? So we have 3 possible values here. Let me underline those: 0, negative 2 and positive 2. So our solution set is definitely going to be like this. We can write our solution set like this. So x is going to be one of these values, so you can say it belongs to a set like this. So it would be negative 2, 0 and positive 2. In a set notation, we really do not have to arrange them in any particular sequence, but still I thought it would be nice if we write it like this. Sometimes the question setter might give you a set like this, which may look like 0, 2, negative 2, and that is also correct. That is also correct option, right? So depending on whatever option we have been provided in the question, we have to pick the correct one, because inside the set, inside a set notation, the elements of a set really don't have to be arranged in any particular sequence, right? So this is our answer, and if you look at our answer options, we have negative 2, 0 and positive 2 in option E. So option E is the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.